Welcome to What the Journey. Embark on exciting adventures with us as we venture to breathtaking destinations around the globe. Exploring Europe's diverse landscapes, from Scandinavia's snowy scenery to the Mediterranean coastlines, unveils a world of enchanting beauty. While iconic capitals like London, Paris, and Rome draw in visitors, the continent's 44 countries boast unique cities and attractions waiting to be discovered. With a plethora of stunning sights and scenic wonders to behold, a lifetime may not be enough to explore all of Europe's most beautiful destinations. Number 10. Seven Rila Lakes. Bulgaria's picturesque Seven Rila Lakes, nestled in the southwest of the country, sparkle in the sun and offer a serene retreat amid magnificent mountains. Each lake, with its unique characteristics, provides a tranquil setting for visitors to immerse themselves in nature's beauty. Number 9. Seljalandsfoss. Iceland's famous waterfall offers a unique experience as visitors can walk behind its cascading waters or marvel at its beauty from the front. Located in the south of the island, this spectacular waterfall is a must-see for its scenic setting and cave viewpoint. Number 8. Scottish Highlands. Scotland's rugged and mountainous region, the Scottish Highlands, beckons with dramatic landscapes and iconic landmarks like Glencoe Valley and Loch Ness. Whether hiking in the wilderness or exploring historic towns, the Highlands offer a captivating blend of nature and history. Number 7. Verdon Gorge. The awe-inspiring Verdon Gorge, with its dazzling white limestone cliffs and shimmering turquoise waters, is a sight to behold. Located in southeastern France, this ravine stretches over 25 kilometers in length and plunges to depths of 700 meters at times. Often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Europe, its grand landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for a range of outdoor activities, with hiking and kayaking being popular choices among visitors. Number 6. Madeira, Portugal. Surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, Portugal's subtropical archipelago of Madeira dazzles with its unspoiled nature and stunning landscapes. From sailing and surfing to hiking along breathtaking trails, Madeira offers a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and beach lovers alike. Number 5. The Amalfi Coast, located just south of Naples, is a mesmerizing stretch of coastline in Italy. Towering cliffs and majestic mountains overlook the glistening waters of the Mediterranean, while charming towns and villages are scattered throughout. Explore the pastel-colored palaces and lively piazzas of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello amidst the stunning scenery and picturesque landscapes. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, trekking through the hills, or sailing along the sun-drenched shores, the undeniable beauty of the Amalfi Coast will leave you in awe. Number 4. Pulpit Rock. Norway's iconic Pulpit Rock, towering above Lysefjord, offers awe-inspiring views of the dramatic landscapes below. Drawing visitors with its outstanding beauty, this natural wonder is a must-see for those seeking breathtaking vistas in Norway. Number 3. The Dolomites. Italy's majestic Dolomites, with their alpine meadows and towering peaks, captivate visitors with their stunning beauty. Whether hiking in summer or skiing in winter, the Dolomites' epic panoramas and picturesque landscapes promise an unforgettable alpine experience. Number 2. Korčula Town, Croatia. Nestled between the azure waters and verdant forests, with majestic mountains looming in the backdrop, Korčula Town is truly a picturesque gem. Situated at the eastern tip of the island of Korčula, it showcases a charming old town adorned with stunning Renaissance and Gothic architecture. Enclosed within its historic walls are ancient churches, Venetian palaces, and enchanting alleyways, all leading to a delightful waterfront. Besides its rich historical center, Korčula Town is conveniently close to pristine beaches, perfect for a refreshing dip in the inviting Adriatic Sea. Number 1. Tulip Fields in Holland. The vibrant tulip fields of the Netherlands stretch endlessly, captivating visitors with their colorful beauty. Since the late 16th century, when the enchanting bulbs first made their mark during the tulip mania era in Europe, these stunning flower beds and meticulously landscaped gardens have drawn admirers from far and wide. Among the vast array of flower parks, Keukenhof stands out with its 7 million tulips, daffodils and roses. Exploring Holland's enchanting fields by bicycle offers a delightful experience, with opportunities to capture breathtaking photos of purple, orange and red, blooms swaying in the gentle breeze. Please remember to subscribe to my channel to stay connected. Thank you for watching.